Hello. Welcome to my channel. It's a girl Lindy, all the way from the beautiful country known as South Africa. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on the topic, which is unemployment and how to make money through the journey of unemployment. You know, unemployment is so very high throughout the world. People are losing their jobs on a daily basis. Every day people are losing their jobs, and it tends to make people to go live in shelters. Others they go live in squatter camps. Others they live on handouts. Others they even leave their houses and homes to go and live on the streets. So with me, I have some tips on how to make money online and offline, which is at home. So my first tip for you guys is um mystery shopper. So with mystery shopper, we have companies, guys. Those companies that needs people to go and do some kind of researches on their behalf. So you can just simply check their website. We've got the likes of the Sinclairs. We've got the Sinclairs. We've got the Best Mark. Those are the ones that I have for you now is those two. You can just simply go in and check them and sign in with them to go and do those researches for them. You can just be an eye and an ear for them. You just go and listen and bring back the information back to them. So the second one that I have for you guys is the delivery trend. How to grow your delivery trend. The first thing that you need to know, especially this one goes for those who have cars. You can utilize your car. Take your car to the renters. Those who are renting out cars, you can take your car there because they're in need of cars. They still need cars. So you can take your car there to the renters. And the good thing about that is that they're going to take care of your car. They go to even pay you. So it's good things that are very productive for you whilst you are still at home. Is going to be taken care of, and they're going to pay you as well. And then the other one is you can go to the Uber Eats, the Uber Drive. They also got the website. You can also use their website to sign in and let your car work for yourself. The third one, regarding your car again, you can rent your car while you are still at home. Use it at home as a rental as well. At home, you give it out to people who are going out. So you know that is great, quick money for you. When they come back, they're gonna be able to pay you back. So it's a quick money and a good one as well. So the third one that I have for you, it's babysitting. I know people, they take babysitting as a very funny work or strenuous. It is not. Trust me, it is not. And it's going to make more money for you. You tend to have people who are working, especially on weekends. That's where you're going to make money on weekends. You tend to find people who are working and they don't have anybody to take care of their children. So that's where you can step in. Go in there, make the job, make it your priority for the time. Prioritize that thing for yourself, and it's going to make money for you. You're going to gain skills, you're going to gain experience. And in the long run, if you find that you're liking what you are doing, you can just go for a CPR training and get the papers, and then you are good. You're off. Sometimes you can even find people who can take you over to during the week because they are working. Maybe they don't not happy from where they're coming from, though. You find that your service is very good, then they can be able to call you back and say, okay, you can take this child throughout the whole month, and it's a good money for you. And then the fourth one, which is the last one, guys, is the housekeeper. You can be a house sitter. You have some other families, they like traveling. So with you, you can be able to go and gut that house. Maybe they have the pets. You can just take care of the pets, clean the house, make the garden, and when they come back, they can offer you maybe a good money. So that's for you how you can generate the money, guys. This is a very good simple things that we can do on our own just to try and make money. To bonus you again, you can try and sell. We have so many small things that you can sell, so many cheaper things that you can get out there. Like I say, guys, research, research, research. Go into the internet and search for what you can do and how you can make a living out of this thing. So guys, we've came to the end of this video. If you happen to like this video, please like, share and subscribe into this channel, guys. I really need this. Please. And as you have done that, press that notification bell so that when I come, you can be able to be the first one to be noticed. So with that being said, guys, let me leave you and love you and say I love you, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.